So all of you, please go to code deploy, type in the search box code deploy, or you have already code deploy, click on it. Okay, once you click on the code deploy part, okay, you all go to getting started. Maybe go to getting started. Here there is, see, at the left side there is getting started. Click on that and create an application. Give an application name as maybe test or DevOps, whatever you want to get. DevOps test. A code deploy test. Sorry, it will be static application. Give static application. Okay, type static and hyphen apps. That will be good. Okay, now you can select which premise. Okay, there are so many things here. You can see code deploy, you can create in so many things. But Lambda function, ECS, this is Elastic Container Service, EC2. Okay, so we are on premise. Both are same. Okay, so that's why we are actually clicking on EC2. Click on that because we have EC2 server. Okay, go to the diagram where this code deploy is going to do deployment in the EC2 server. In the diagram, see, it is mentioned. If you go to the diagram, where is this code deploy going to deploy? In EC2. That is why you are selecting EC2. Anyone who didn't understand this, raise your hand. This particular concept, everyone understood why we have done this? Dheeraj, tell me what you have not understood.
Hi Rahul. Rahul, it is the same code we have copied from GitHub. That is the code we are going to deploy, or
Yeah,
some
code we are going to deploy the same thing. But then for now, my question is, have you understood why we have mentioned EC2 while creating the code deploy?
Yes.
Because not ECS, because we have created in the diagram, it is saying EC2.
Yes, that's
First thing is you should have diagram clear in your brain. If diagram is clear, creating these things is easy. Okay, that diagram you can use draw.io. There are further very good tools are there, but then for easy, for fast, I just wanted to use Pent. Okay, fine. Now, done.